Have you ever thought about riding on your invigorating e-scooter, making local errands fun to reaching your desired destination in minutes without any hassle? From ensuring your security and safety, we are going to discuss some amazing scooter gadgets that you should get hold of promptly. Let's start. Number 1. Electric scooter bag. Most scooters, particularly those with a firm name, will come with some type of bag, which may or may not be waterproof. The bag is intended to be used for both carrying and storing your scooter over longer distances. If you're planning on doing any of these things and don't have a bag, Amazon has a wide selection of low-cost generic options. Number 2. Scooter helmet. Being an accessory-cum-required equipment, it prevents jeopardizing your life and ensures your complete proof of safety. It ensures you are on the safe side, both in life and on-road on the road. Research has shown that unhelmeted scooter riders are 3 times more prone to sustain traumatic brain injuries in the event of a crash. It substantially reduces the risk and severity of head injuries, the most common type of scooter injury. Reduction in cuts and bruises, head trauma, bone fractures, and face and neck injuries are also its perks side by side. The helmet always proves to be your wise and sound purchase by taking all your matters and life into its hands. Number 3. Wall mount. I don't think this addition will be handy. Why don't you park your scooter on the sidewalk? Why take the chance of placing costly, electronic heavy equipment above ground, where it could fall and entirely fail? In any case, you might have a different perspective or find yourself in a position where a wall mount is a good fit, and you should be aware of your possibilities. Number 4. Electric scooter Hornbell. When you're approaching bystanders, cyclists, and other electric scooter riders, you should have a bell on your e-scooter. You'll need to buy a bike bell because no bells are built explicitly for e-scooters. Only a few examples include modern bells, horns, and electric bells. The tone of the bell is the most critical factor. You can choose the tone you desire because each has a distinct sound. Whatever you choose, make sure the bell is clear and loud enough to be heard. It is not always true that the louder the sound, the better. Deafening bells might frighten people. Number 5. Eye protection. Scooter sunglasses can also help you cope with windy wind, creepy bugs, and rainy weather conditions, making your way clean and clear to your destination. Riding fast without a windshield invites bugs, debris, and dirt to get in your way, immediately jeopardizing your retina or momentarily causing blindness, leading to vicious-like situations. For everyday use, physical protection can be quickly assured by sunglasses. While riding at night or in foggy conditions, transparent photochromic glasses are recommended. Number 6. Electric scooter taillight. Even though taillights enhance your vehicle's beauty and aesthetic, it also becomes excellent assistance to your safety on roads. Through them, you get to watch out at the streets more clearly, so it becomes more feasible to ride it with ultimate security to yourself. Taillights are intricately designed to bear and stand through all the turbulences of the weather. After all, a high-powered light does evidence high sustainable health security. So nevertheless, of all the other automobiles out there with the installments of low-power lights with their dimming glow. Number 7. Scooter alarm. There's a potential that your electric scooter already has a built-in anti-theft alarm system. If it doesn't, this is a fantastic low-cost investment that will save you a lot of grief. There is one bottleneck here, and it is the controller on your scooter. For this type of gadget to work, it must allow remote start. Even if your scooter's controller enables remote start, it's possible that your scooter still lacks an anti-theft alarm. If you don't have an anti-theft alarm, your best bet is to contact the scooter's manufacturer or reseller and inquire if an anti-theft alarm system is available as an add-on.
Number 8. Electric scooter speedometer. Your scooter is likely to come equipped with a speedometer right out of the box. This is a feature seen on very few scooters. It's nice to have, even if it's not required. If your scooter does not come with any, contact your shop to propose the best option for your scooter. Check out the SY Bicycle Speedometer and Odometer Wireless Waterproof on Amazon for roughly $15 if you want a good generic one.
Number 9. Fluorescent Turn Signal Vest. During the day and at night, High-visibility uniforms and vests are available in various reflecting and bright fluorescent hues. It is critical to select high-visibility apparel appropriate for the job area and conditions. Fluorescent vests and outfits are more appropriate for bright, daylight work conditions. Because the vivid colors stick out, people are more likely to notice workers. They are not suitable for working in low light or at night. Number 10. Cup holder. In my opinion, this is an entirely optional accessory. Even the most minor bumps can result in chokes, stains, or burns. Still, it's a free world. If you want to drink something while riding, you will get a cup holder for your scooter. As with most accessories, this is a cheap item you can easily find on Amazon for under $15. Sheer living being the most popular choice. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications.